Hey Zolly, how you doing? Leo here again from Arona Marketing. This is a quick video I wanted to shoot over to you. It's got tips and tricks in it showing you things you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you can see, I've got your website pulled up right here. Nice little testimony from a customer. I listened to that. And it seems like you all do really, really good work. I love the logo. That's a beautiful logo. Definitely tells what you do just by looking at the photo. And going through your page, Zolly, everything looks really good. All your pictures and things like that. But one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of go through here, show you some things that you can do to your website to help you increase that rank. So first thing is add more add more content to your website. Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords on that. And also, another good thing to do is save your photos and videos as keywords, because those are considered content as well. So when you upload all your photos and put them on your website, see how there's all these numbers and it says image right here? That needs to be something that is a buyer intent word, like Fence Companies, Knoxville, Tennessee, Fence Company, Knoxville, Tennessee, Fence Companies, Knoxville, Fence Company. Something that is a buyer intent keyword that needs to go in behind these photos. Another thing I would recommend would be having more ways to convert at the top of your page. Some people like to call, text, email, chat. Majority of the people are searching on their cell phones. So if you've got a click to call number up here, they can just get right in here, give you a call, get in touch with you. And then also there's some people that don't like to talk on the phone, so having a chat feature or a form submit or an email that they can contact you up here at the top of the page would be another good suggestion. That way they can get right in here and reach right out to you. Now, what I've done is I put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR, and this is your DR right here. So this is your strength, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now you've got 16 backlinks and 9 referring domains. And a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created the same. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the ones that's more authoritative and that's relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you've got 13 organic keywords that's driving 9 people to your website a month. And you've got some pretty good keywords in here. Fence Company, Knoxville, Tennessee, Fence Companies, Fencing Company. So there's a lot of search volume here. I'm not sure if you have any backlinks or link juice going to these to power these words, but definitely you need to increase your content on these pages. And you're not too bad, honestly. I think you're number 7 or number 9 down in the map pack listing. So it won't take a lot of work and to get this website ranking. You definitely want to rank organically, because that's where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. So this staining, installation, financing, all those need to have about 500 to 750 words of command content on those. Now, what I've done was typed in Knoxville Fence Company, and right here you see the top 3. Top up here is Google Ads, and below those is the map pack. And the map pack is where you want to be. Now, you're not in this top 3 right now, and that's okay. There are several ways to get here. You can make sure that you're constantly adding reviews to your website. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Cantrell Fence. You got 49 reviews at a 4.2. That's really good. So make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Looks like you're on top of that. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the same exact all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to make sure that you fill out, and don't forget to add keywords in that too. Now, by posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, It really helps you rank organically. And that geotagging is like I showed you with the photo, where you actually put a buyer intent keyword in behind that photo. Adding citations, which is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, because honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest. So giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it'll start making Google trust you more, and it will increase that strength and that trust that you have right here. So you have zero trust and no data is pulled up on there. But by adding those, by adding your business name, address, and phone number in those directories, it's going to not only boost your business, but it'll also boost your business in the surrounding areas as well. Now, being on that map pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and it's going to give you a call from there. Now, the next thing I did was went down into the Google organics down here at the bottom. So this is the ads, this is the map pack, and down here is your organic. And again, this is where you really want to be. I seen an ad earlier that had you on there. It looks like it kind of goes back and forth, but it's at the bottom. You know, and the benefit of having a website that's fully optimized is you start ranking organically, like these guys right here. Lucky Fencing, they're number one. They're getting 60 to 70% of the business going to their website by being on this first page organically. Now, as you see, this is their website right here. And they don't have a lot of content either. So implementing having more content on your website than theirs, you can outrank them while adding the backlinks and such too. Now, what I've done here is actually put in, look at all these keywords. There is a decent amount of volume here. So these keywords are simply your service and the city and state that the service is in. So fence companies, and you've got a lot of these. Fencing, Knoxville, Tennessee, you know, there's 4, 8, 12, 16. There's right at about 2,000 search volume each month, which is insane. So once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume will come to your website, and then that percentage of that's going to give you a call. Then depending on your close rate, Zolly, it's going to turn into a customer. Definitely hope this video was helpful. And again, I'd love to hear some feedback from it. I appreciate your time. Also, Zolly, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out because I can be that resource for you if need be. I hope you have a great day.